Unlock the earning potential of Google Maps. Generate income with this step-by-step guide. You want to know how to make money with Google Maps? You've come to the right place. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to do it. With over 1 billion users every month, Google Maps is a goldmine for generating income. So let's get started. Step 1. You need to become a local guide on Google Maps. It's really easy. Just sign up with your Google account and start contributing by writing reviews, uploading photos, and adding new places. The more active you are, the higher your local guide level will be. This will give you access to exclusive perks and opportunities. Step 2. Once you reach level 4 or above as a local guide, you'll unlock the ability to add and edit business information on Google Maps. This is where you can start making money. Local businesses are always looking to improve their visibility on Google Maps, and they are willing to pay for it. Approach them and offer your services as a Google Maps consultant. You can help them optimize their listings, add photos, and respond to reviews, for a fee. Step 3. Another way to generate income with Google Maps is by leveraging the power of advertising. Businesses can display their ads directly on Google Maps, targeting potential customers in specific areas. You can become a Google Ads reseller and offer this service to local businesses. It's a win-win situation. You earn a commission for every ad you sell, and the business gets increased visibility. Step 4. Did you know that you can also create virtual tours with Google Maps? As a local guide, you can use Google Street View app to capture 360-degree photos of businesses. You can then create immersive virtual tours that businesses can showcase on their websites and social media platforms. Charging a fee for this service can be a lucrative source of income. Step 5. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. With Google Maps, you can promote local businesses and earn a commission for every customer you refer to them. Reach out to businesses in your area and negotiate affiliate partnerships. It's a simple and effective way to generate passive income. And there you have it. By becoming a local guide, offering consulting services, selling ads, creating virtual tours, and leveraging affiliate marketing, you can unlock the earning potential of Google Maps. Start implementing these steps today and tap into the vast opportunities awaiting you. If you want more money-making opportunities, visit us at Trend2C, and remember to like and subscribe. We appreciate your support.